a big break to come around. But if I crack the code a little late, I'm supposed to blame my age and not this town. Yeah, that don't make no sense to me. Cause if time defines my trajectory, then being 20.
I'll introduce to you one of the best coaches in Cavite, no? Not only just because of his forte, his specialization in terms of volleyball, but of course, his dedication in delivering exceptional players without sacrificing integrity, no? So that's very important for us, for parents, and for the bagets as well, no? The head coach of the Bacoor Ladies Spikers, may I present to you Coach Paul Katapia. Hi, Coach. Good evening.
Mhm po.
And then our next coach for tonight, most valuable player of Molina Volleyball Club, the best setter of the Molina Volleyball Club in La Salsabel, Coach Joel Almuete. Next, that I'm gonna introduce to you is our speaker for tonight, an educator by profession, pero very solid in terms of passion in volleyball as well. So we've been playing volleyball since siguro mga uhugin pa kami, no? So until now, nagva-volleyball pa din kami. So I think that's the common denominator for everyone, no? And then, so to help us out for tonight, to walk us through the journey of the Baguettes, okay, we have here our none other than Coach Janet of Elizabeth Seaton, a subject area coordinator, an expert in physical education. Hi, Coach Janet. Good evening.
Hello, hello, can you hear me? Yan,
Yes,
naririnig ba
yes,
ako?
yes. Yes,
Malinaw?
Coach. Yes, Coach.
Yan, maraming salamat po.
Ayun. So, I think we're very much ready. So, ang flow ng discussion lang naman is a brief lang no nung webinar, sorry, brief lang nung 6 months training development program, and then we'll proceed with the question and answer after, no? Okay. So, I think everyone's ready, Coach Janet. Just when you're ready, let's go.
Okay, so good evening everyone. It's 8:25 p.m. and we really appreciate the fact that you are here now. No, imbis na nag-scroll sa TikTok, nandito kayo para makinig sa aming 6-month volleyball training development plan. Okay? So let me share my screen to you so that you get the chance to see everything no about our program. Okay, so ready. Let's start the presentation at the moment. Can you see it? Nakikita po ba? Yan, nakikita po ba Coach Ana, nakikita po ba yung aking screen?
Yes, Coach.
Ayan po. So, yan, Coach Ana, ikaw na lang yung aking student for this for this webinar, okay? So, good evening everyone. Welcome to our webinar for about 6 months training development program, okay? So, this is under the coordination of South Supreme Sports and Molino Volleyball Club. Let me talk about the program goals, no. This is what we call 6 months volleyball program. Okay, let me show you our beautiful faces. Yan. So it's actually one of the most shared photo of South Supreme Sports, 6 months training development program and training camp. Okay, so today we are going to talk about this controversial, very promising plan for athletes, for future athletes, not only of Bacoor, not only of Imus or cities near the area, but also we're aiming for national athletes, no? And we're going to be highlighting how the program would be developing the physical fitness capabilities of the athletes or the players or the members while also developing their attitude. No, specifically, we're going to be focusing with values-oriented approaches and life skill development. Yan. So ito po yung pinaka-overview ng aming activity. Let me tell you the objectives of the program. Okay, so let me share it to you. So you can see here, yan. Okay. So you can see here the program goals. We have long-term development and comprehensive training. Isa sa mga plano ng ating 6 months volleyball training development plan is in order
Naman.
for us to be able to, can you hear me? Yes po? Yan. In order for us to develop our players, no, in 6 months during the 6 months duration plan. Okay, we wish to develop their fitness level, their athletic skills. We wish to develop their values, no, so that they can apply everything that they have learned, not only in school but also in life. So matagalan, 6 months commitment, commitment for excellence, no, not perfection. Another part or another program goal is for comprehensive training program. Um, in the 6 months volleyball program, we wish to have a developmental approach, an individualized program. Ano pong ginagawa nito? No? We actually assess the individual skill of the students or of the learners or of the athletes, no? Yung ating mga atleta. Ina-assess natin sila. We wish to determine their level. From every month, no, we wish to check their progress, and we wish to actually offer them or help them choose the best volleyball position that would be parallel or that's fit or that would fit their physical fitness level, no? Ito kasi yung ating mga gagawing programa, it's actually based on research, based on best practices sa mga volleyball leagues at saka coaching programs. Yun yung gagawin natin so that we get the chance to develop our athletes in a very holistic manner. Yan po. So 6 months program for everybody. Now let's move forward. Okay. Now let's talk about the particulars. Yan. So I'd like to show you some of the photos of our MVC club. Yan, no? Let's talk about the training goals. Yan. So ano po yung goal ng ating 6 months volleyball training development plan? We wish to actually build, create, and support a safe, inclusive, and positive volleyball experience in a lifetime of opportunity for all. So this program is actually open for young kids up until adult people, no? But most importantly, we wish to target yung mga high schoolers natin. Nagkaroon po ng pandemic, so maraming pagbabago sa maraming mga bata ang hindi gano'n kagaling pagdating sa volleyball. Bakit? Ilang taon tayong nakatambay sa bahay, 3 taon, 'no? So, maraming tao ang natatakot mag-try ng volleyball kasi paano kung hindi 'to maging okay? Paano kung hindi maging okay yung volleyball experience ko, 'no? Coming from the pandemic years na nakatago tayo sa bahay, ngayon, 'no, we wish to offer this 6-month program para makalabas tayo at magkaroon tayo ng ibang environment at the same time yung welcoming environment for all types of people. No? Number two, we wish to offer aspiring athletes the gift of playing, which is an important ingredient in promoting a good quality of life, thus making volleyball a lifelong sport. Yan, no? So, para malaman niyo po, no, most of the members of Molino Volleyball Clubs are no longer students. We're no longer college students. Most of us are actually working individuals. We're actually part of the workforce. And in reality, if you keep on working, no, it's difficult to continue living to the fullest if you don't play at all. If you don't do any recreational activity para ma-distress po tayo. So isa sa mga biyaya ng 6 months training development plan ay ang biyaya ng paglalaro. Iba yung nade-develop sa tao kapag siya ay naglalaro, no? Socialization, mental skills, emotional skills, social skills, physical skills. So holistic development of an individual, no? From um youngster up until adulthood, no? So ito po yung kayang ibigay nitong training goal namin, okay? So hindi lang sa matatanda, lalo-lalo na sa mga kabataan natin ngayon na ninakawan ng pandemya, no, ng ano ba 'to, ng experience para makalaro ng volleyball. Okay? Number three, training goal. Our goal is to optimize an athlete's performance through fitness assessments and series of quality activities and drills while developing a sense of achievement and commitment to ignite the spirit of teamwork and camaraderie of the playing athletes on the court. No? So what are we trying to tell you here? We're not just gonna make you play. We're not just gonna make you do drills and activities. We will do activities that are actually research based. Unang-una po, during the first part of the month, magkakaroon po tayo ng mga fitness assessment. We are going to assess how holistically developed an athlete is, and then at the end of the month, we're going to check the progress of an athlete by doing the same fitness assessment. Okay? Bakit po, no? Para kapag tinatanong or kapag nagkakaroon kami ng assessment of the athlete at the end of the month, we don't just give you a description of how you perform and how you play on court. We actually give you statistics, no? Ilang percentage na yung passing, gaano kataas yung success rate ng inyong passing skills, setting skills, hitting skills, no? So we're gonna use research-based activities. Yung mga activities na ginagamit hindi lang dito, hindi lang sa national league, kundi pati sa mga international leagues. Okay? Number 4, training goal for the 6 months training development plan or program. We wish to promote periodization of training among athletes, especially to learners transitioning from grade school to high school or high school going to collegiate levels. Anong ginagawa natin? Sinasabi natin na nawala, no, ninakawan ng pandemya ang maraming mga kabataan ngayon ng taon ng paglalaro. And because of that, no, dahil diyan nahihirapan silang um, pasukin ang mundo ng sports. Okay? Pasukin ng mas malalim. Paano po yung mas malalim, no? Getting sports-related scholarships in your school, no? Being able to enter school because of sports scholarships. Dahil sa pandemya, medyo napakababa po ngayon yung probability na makapasok ka sa school, na maging scholar ka dahil through sports. So tutulungan namin ng mga kabataan, no? So tutulungan namin yung mga kabataan na magkaroon ng ganong pribilehiyo. We will help you. Okay? And then number 5, to build character by honing life skills and the organization's core values. Discipline, integrity, commitment, and perseverance. And transforming volleyball into a welcoming and compassionate sport. No? So, katulad nung nasabi ni Coach Ana kanina, I've been playing volleyball since I was 11 years old, no? So, tatlong dekada na kaming akong naglalaro. So, mula sa paglalaro ng volleyball na maliit lang yung percentage ng mga manlalaro sa Cavite, no? Maliit lang kami. Okay, yung mga basic lang yung alam namin. Mula doon sa ganong senaryo hanggang sa ngayon na napakadami ng mga activities and mga training drills ang mga nagagawa ng mga modern and current coaches, no? Mula noon hanggang ngayon, I'm still trying to become part of the volleyball world. Okay? So anong kagandahan nito? Okay? Lagi akong naniniwala na ang mga atleta sa volleyball, ito yung mga atletang kayang mag-survive sa totoong buhay. No? Napakadaming values, attitudes ang nade-develop while doing sports na nakakatulong not only when they go to school, but also when they get out of the institution, when they get out of the world of the academe, and when they try to enter the field of workforce. So, ano pong makukuha natin sa training goals? Pagbabago sa physical, sa emotional, sa mental, sa social, sa lahat na magagamit natin hindi lang sa community, hindi lang sa school, kundi pati sa future. So that's our training goals. Napaka-holistically developed na itong training goals. And we wish to actually show it to you kung gaano kaganda yung mga goals na to, no? So that you get the chance to share it to the people around you, okay? Sa ating mga audience na mga kabataan, no? Po pwede niyong maisip na baka po pwede itong maging stress relieving activity, recreational activity aside from going somewhere else, no? So isa sa mga problema ngayon sa world of physical education is the YOLO theme. Ang mga tao ang ginagawa, YOLO, you only live once. So anong ginagawa ng tao? They try to do a lot of things that they want to do in their lives, no? Specifically, they're more brave, they're braver, doing the not so healthy things. Um, eating whatever they want, doing whatever they want, no? Kasi nga YOLO daw, minsan lang mabubuhay. So isa sa mga balakid, isa ito sa mga nagiging balakid, no, para yung mga kabataan ay mapunta in the field of sports. Bakit? Because they're busy doing other things. Okay? So kasi iniisip nila YOLO, dapat magawa ko ito, dapat magawa ko ito, no? So anong pinopromote ng YOLO? Yung YOLO, you only think of your present time. But when you go to the 6 months training volleyball, 6 months volleyball training development plan, when you try to embrace the volleyball as a lifelong sport, no, anong nangyayari? You take care of your present at the same time you prepare for your future. No? You prepare your present self, you holistically develop yourself during the present time. At the same time, you are preparing for a better you in the future. No? So yun yung gusto naming makita ng mga kabataan ngayon. Okay, so these are our training goals. We hope that you see the light in the goals. So do not worry, we will try to talk more about it. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of the 6 months training development plan. What else can you get? Mhm. Okay, aside from being holistically developed, that's what we keep on telling you, no, become holistically developed physically, emotionally, socially, mentally, one of the good things is that you get the chance to have awards and recognition coming from the South Supreme Sports. Okay, yung awards recognition would actually build your morale as a person, your self-esteem, your self-confidence, thus contributing to your um identity, no? Paano 'yan nakakatulong? Later, I'm gonna tell you, okay? So it boosts your confidence, your morale as a person, and at the same time, you feel that you are part of a community because you are being acknowledged, rewarded, awarded, and recognized. No? Number two, up-to-date information. Okay? So, as an educator, it has been my mantra to give everybody the most accurate research-based information related to the world of physical education. Opo. So, bilang teacher, educator, isa po yun na gusto kong ilabas hindi lang in the world of academe but also in the community. Okay? We want to make a difference here. We want to become beacon of true information and holistic information. Hindi lang basta um, simple and pinagpasa-pasang information. No? We want to give you accurate, correct, true, and research-based informations. No? That would actually, information that would help you develop your volleyball skills, that would enrich yourself at the present time and also to the future, no? Future you. First aid skills. Yan. So isa sa mga programa ng plan na ito ay matulungan ang bawat mga manlalaro o ang miyembro ng ating 6 months training development plan to become aware of the different first aid procedures. Bakit? In the world of sports, okay, kailangan mo mag-warm up, kailangan mo mag-training so that you can reduce your risk of getting injured. However, there are instances wherein you're really gonna get injured because of the need of the game itself or the sport itself. So, anong gagawin namin? We will try to prepare our members, no? We're actually in the process of contacting the DRRMC of the IMOS and the Bacoor so that they get the chance to have or to offer us a first aid seminar or training to our members, to our coaches, at the same time kung po pwede, pati sa parents na rin ng mga members. So itong first aid skill na to, hindi mo lang nakuha mo sa volleyball, hindi mo lang ma-apply sa volleyball, kundi sa totoong buhay mo in real life situation. No? So it's a number one life skill. You get the chance to learn how to take care of yourself during emergency cases. And you are able to do that not only inside the court, but also at home, in the community, even in workplace. No? So nutrition guidelines. Okay. So one of our vision for the 6 months training development plan is to actually guide our parents. No? Kung malalakas ang mga bata, paano nila magagamit yung full potential ng kanilang mga katawan para mag-supply ng sapat na enerhiya para ang bawat isa ay kayang makapaglaro ng volleyball. Yan. So how are you going to optimize your health? Number one, you need to work out with your nutrition. So isa yan sa mga gusto naming gawing tulong sa ating mga miyembro, no? Or magiging part of the 6 months training development or volleyball training development plan. Life skills, okay? So what else can you get? Life skill. When you get these awards and recognition, okay, you get the chance to have the feeling of being part of a community. When you have that kind of feeling, you don't feel anxious, you don't feel stressed at all, you don't feel neglected. Therefore, you find meaning in everything that you do. No? And when you find meaning in everything that you do, you shine in the community. You shine in your world, in your life. No? Up-to-date information, isa sa mga it's a life skill, no? Life skill, anong dinedevelop natin dito? Maging critical thinker. As volleyball players, we should not be only come very good in fitness, no, and playing volleyball, but we also need to become good in checking information, especially information available in the internet. Yan po, no? So, isa po yung life skill. First aid guide and being intelligent in choosing your food, those are actually life skills that we wish to develop aside from developing the values of our athletes or members of the 6 months training development plan. Okay? And the last but not the least, values-oriented performance, no? Bilang isang matagal ng manlalaro, hindi man I'm not part of any national league, no, because I focused in studying during my college years. Isa sa mga napapansin ko bilang isang observer, no, because of being observant, no, is that we are losing values, no, in playing volleyball. Mm-mm. It becomes a battle of trying to intimidate your opponent in the best way that you can, in the most timid way that you can also, so that the referees will not notice you. Napakatatalino ng mga players ngayon. So, pero anong gusto nating ipakita, no? That more than anything else in the world of volleyball, ang pinakakalaban mo, hindi ang kalaban mo, kundi ang sarili mo. So that's what we want to actually promote nowadays, no? Pagkatapos mo maging manlalaro kasi tao ka sunod eh. So we wish that you develop your values, no, as an individual. Na dala-dala mo sa court, dala-dala mo paglabas ng court, pagpasok ng bahay, paglabas ng community, at kahit saan ka pang pumunta. So those are actually the benefits of being part of the 6 months training development program, okay, of the South Supreme Sports, no, in coordination with MVC. So let's talk about the values. Yeah, no. So South Supreme, training better than yesterday. Wow, no? Napakaganda po nung mantra ng ating South Supreme Sports. So what keeps the South Supreme different from other things or from other organization? We have research-based methodologies, no? We ignite the passion from the members of the community. Specifically, we wish to do this to the members of the 6 months volleyball training development plan. And we want to still discipline. Yeah, number one to, no, discipline para sa mga kabataan. Okay? So ito po yung pinaka-focus namin as far as South Supreme and as a group trying to promote this, trying to start the 6 months training development plan. Anong core values namin, no? We have discipline, commitment, integrity, and perseverance. In discipline, conflict management. Okay? In the world of volleyball, it's actually difficult to manage people. But if everybody is actually open for changes, no, they're aware that there should be conflicts in the team and they're able to manage it effectively. We know, okay, kung ganito yung mga members of the volleyball team, definitely they can work as one. Kahit hindi sila nagkikita dati, pag naglaro sila sama-sama, kaya nilang lumaro at maging malakas as a group and mag-perform as a group. Okay? Now, we also want to emphasize one of the life skills, responsibility. Okay? So I'd like to tell you that all the words in white color or white font colors, these are actually life skills that are connected with the World Health Organization's most important list of life skills. Okay? So kasama dito, kasama ng World Health Organization, gusto naming i-develop yung responsibility ng mga kabataan ngayon. No? Responsibility and accountability in things. Okay? When you are responsible, meaning you are willing to step up and do the things that you need to do at the same time. Okay, be confident enough to become accountable of the things that you are doing. Mhm. So because of the new waves of generations nowadays, it's kind of difficult to pull out this sense of responsibility and accountability to the athletes. Kaya ito yung gusto naming buuin. Understanding diversity. Yan, no? Why? Kasi sa team, iba't iba kayo ng kultura sa bahay. Iba't iba kayo ng prinsipyo sa buhay. So what do we want to tell you, no? What we want to impose here is that kailangan mong maintindihan na kailangan yung mag-meet as a team and kailangan yung maintindihan yung bawat isa. Through that, you can actually develop and promote teamwork and collaboration in the volleyball team. So that's very important so that your team will work as one, understanding diversity. Okay? So under commitment, the life skills under World Health Organization that we wish to develop is what we call self-management. Through self-management, no, anong mga nasa loob ng self-management? Self-awareness. Number one, being aware of your physical fitness is what we want you to understand during the 6 months training development plan. Gusto naming malaman mo kung gaano ka kagaling base sa mga activities or base sa mga assessments no na gagawin mo at tatapusin mo. Okay? So, hindi ka lang dinidescribe ng coach mo, kundi dinidescribe ka ng statistics na ginagawa mo base sa performance mo as a player. Okay? So, that's what we call self-awareness. Okay? With your body and skill. So, yun yung number one. Number two, self-awareness when it comes to mental capacity, no? Papaano mo gagamitin yung iyong mental awareness to actually perform in a team. Okay? And self-awareness, emotion. We want you to be able to effectively manage your emotions kapag ka natatalo, nananalo, nahihirapan sa drills. Okay? Bakit? Kapag nahihirapan sa drills at pinipilit pa rin kayanin kahit na mahirap, you develop this number one life skill in the world. This is what we call resiliency. Resiliency is being able to bounce back after falling down, no? Kapag nadapa, paano ka babalik? Kapag ka nahirapan, paano ka babawi? No? So that's something we want to develop from our athletes, no? Who will become part of the 6 months volleyball training program. And then the next one, coping with stress, no? Um um the number or the percentage of young a- young young learners or teenagers, no, young adults and teenagers who are actually committing suicide nowadays is increasing, and experiencing depression, no, and committing suicide is actually increasing. Yung number ng mga batang hindi nakikita yung saya at kagandahan ng buhay, no? Bakit? Kasi marami silang pinagdadaanan. So po pwedeng gamitin itong 6 months volleyball training program to actually help them cope with stress. No? Bakit? Dahil habang nagti-training sila, meron tayong mga formation na nagaganap. Okay? Na nakakatulong para makapag-cope sila sa stress at matulungan nila yung sarili nila. No? We get the chance to build capacity, no, for our learners to handle their emotions, to be strong enough to handle failures, no, and be able to go back and get back on track despite all the things that happened to them, no? So ano 'yan? Self-management, resilience, coping with stress. And integrity, 'yan. So sa volleyball kailangan ng decision making, critical thinking, and empathy. So we need empathy so that we get the chance to work as one. Empathy is different from sympathy. Sympathy is when you feel bad about other people. Empathy is when you put yourself in the situation of other people. Therefore, you get the chance to have a better understanding of that individual. No? Paano yan napupunta sa volleyball? Mag-usap kayo nung setter mo, okay? Bakit hindi niya na set sa'yo ng maayos? Kasi nga, hindi maganda yung bigay ng mga kasama mo sa setter mo. So, ilalagay mo yung sarili mo sa setter. Okay? Para hindi siya mahirapan, Okay? Kung ako yung setter, ayoko nahihirapan. So para hindi siya mahihirapan, naayusin ko yung pagpasa ko, no, ng first ball going to the setter. It's to going to the setter. So that's what we call empathy. Mukhang mababaw, pero malaking impact, no, pagdating yan sa volleyball, pagdating sa buhay, paglabas din ng volleyball, no, ng world of volleyball. Critical thinking. Okay, how are you going to analyze the weakness of your opponent and use it on your own as your advantage in the game? No? So being aware of the thing of your environment, okay, and doing things to actually to perform well in a volleyball game. That's what we call critical thinking. And decision making is that you know what to do, okay, and you be able to apply it, no? You coordinate your body based on what you have in your mind and perform according to what you want. That's what we call decision making skills. So, pag nakita mo parang naglalaro lang siya 'no, pero meron palang mga life skills na nade-develop sa bawat, manlalaro 'no. And the next one, perseverance, coping with emotions, problem solving, and self-confidence. Perseverance is being able to do things even if it's difficult to do 'no. Sinisipagan mo pa rin kahit hindi ka na medyo nahihirapan ka na, tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Kahit na parang hindi mo na alam kung saan ka pupunta, tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin, no? So that's what we call perseverance. So paano yun? Coping with emotions. In 6 months training development plan, we will try to help you to overcome your petty feelings, no? Yung emotions mo na, na hindi mo naman dapat binibigyan ng importansya, pero nilalamon ka at the moment. No? So, when you involve yourself with the 6 months volleyball training development plan, definitely you will get the chance to handle your emotions well. Problem solving, okay? So meron tayong mga tactical, technical activities no related to volleyball na makakatulong dito. Okay? And self-confidence. So more than anything, we want to develop your self-confidence, no? At the same time, self-confidence surrounded by the essence of humility. So yun yung gusto namin, no? You know you're confident within you, but you are humble enough, no, to feel na, okay, in the world of volleyball, you need your friends, no? You need your team to perform well, okay? Kailangan nagtutulungan kayo. Okay? Bakit? Kasi kung walang humility, wala nitong mga life skills, wala nitong mga core values natin, wala na tayong pinagkaiba sa mga typical na mga training lamang. So gusto naming i-develop lahat sa ating mga manlalaro o mga atleta. Okay, those members of the 6 months volleyball training development plan. Okay, so those are the training goals, the benefits, and the values. Okay, now let's talk about the program. Approach and skill. So what are we going to do? Yan, isa sa mga magagandang activities natin, no, yung mga volleyball games, one-day league, no, nakasama hindi lang yung mga bata, pati yung mga young adults, even middle adulthood, even adults to adult, no? Yung mga matured individuals kasama din sa ating volleyball activities. Okay? Now, approach skills. Let's talk about approach and skills. Okay, so let's talk about developmental approach. No, we wish to have developmental approach in the 6 months volleyball training program. Okay? Nagsisimula tayo sa basic, nagiging complex, nire-refine, minamaster nyo yung skill nyo. You learn to explore different specific positions in volleyball. And the last but not the least, you get the chance to choose a specific position in volleyball according to your capability as an athlete. So yun yung pinakamaganda, no? So developmental yung approach na gagawin namin. Okay? Na magagamit nyo kapag nakuha nyo yung konteksto ng development plan namin, no? As an individual, as an athlete, as a player, you can actually use that, no, in everything that you do. And if you want to create your own plan in the future, you want to create your own league, your organization, you can adapt this and you can see the beauty in this type of approach, no? What else? Enriching the skills. Okay? So our aim is to enrich the skills of our players. So what we want to highlight is what we call the individualized coaching and feedback to address each player's specific needs and areas for improvement. No? So we're gonna be having fitness assessment, skill-based assessment. So kada end of the month, meron tayong mga assessment. At i-analyze po natin yung mga resulta ng mga assessment ng bawat player. No? So that every player athlete gets the chance to have an overview of his or her own um, skill performance, no? Meron siyang kaalaman kung ano at kung ano na yung kakayahan ng kanyang katawan batay sa mga resulta ng mga test na ginawa niya, na ginagawa niya kada end ng month, no? So, we wish to improve this by having a ratio of 1:6 for 6, 1:6, no? For one coach, there should be 6 players, no? So that we will be able to focus with the progress of our players. Okay, so what else? Fundamentals and technology. So we will focus on the fundamentals of volleyball. We will be promoting ample opportunities for players to master the basics before advancing to more complex techniques. So, developmental po tayo, no? And we wish to maximize technology to also monitor the players. So, we're gonna have intelligent use of technology, advancement in technology, and research, no, to actually help our players become aware of their fitness level and skill level so that they can use this, no, as basis for their um the coaches can use this as basis, no, para the coaches can recommend, okay, specific sports or specific position, no, in volleyball that the students or the athletes can do and can can embrace, no, position in the volleyball that they can embrace as an athlete. Okay, so what else? Tactical training. We tailor training methods and content to the age and developmental stage of the players. During the beginning, we're gonna have assessment. Igu-groupings namin yung mga members or athletes of the 6 months volleyball training development plan. And then we will be creating specific individualized developmental training plan for all categories. So, yun yung gagawin namin. Okay? Younger players may require more focus on basic skills and coordination, while older players can handle more complex technical and tactical training. Now, anong gagawin namin kung sakaling merong mga kabataan na despite doing all the trainings, they're still having difficulty progressing. So, anong gagawin namin? No? Maybe we can um, recommend, okay, home-based training activities. Mga activities na pwedeng gawin sa bahay para mas lalong mapalakas ang mga atleta. Okay? So ito yung mga gusto naming gawin sa 6-month volleyball training development program. Okay? So let's move forward. Again, enriching the skills, fundamentals and technology, and then tactical training. Those are about approach and skills, no? Now let's talk about the perks. Sinabi na namin yung mga nakukuha sa ng mga kabataan. Ano naman ang nakukuha ng mga magulang? No? Ano ang nakukuha ng mga magulang? Becoming a good volleyball parent. Okay? So sana sa ating mga kabataan ngayon na nanonood, maybe you can pull your parents and let your parents listen to me, no? Sandali lamang to. What are we going to do, no? Napakahalaga ng ating mga magulang, no, para sa maayos na paglago ng isang manlalaro. Okay? All parents play a vital role in the development of an athlete. Okay? If we can become a good volleyball parent, let's do so. How can we do that, no? So, anong sinasabi natin? Whether your young athlete is just beginning, for the parents, no, in volleyball career and has played club volleyball for years, you can have a dramatic impact on the success of your child on and off the court. So the impact will come from supporting your child through the wins and losses and encouraging them to do their best and understanding what opportunities they have within the sport. Okay? So anong sinasabi natin? Again, parents play a vital role in the development of an athlete. Okay? Paano po 'yon? Okay? We can help our kids or our learners or our athletes, our children, no, feel. We can motivate them. We can encourage them, make them realize that volleyball is a fun activity. It's an enjoyable activity that promotes um, fun and play related activities. No? At the same time, it's an activity that is actually healthy for the body. Okay? Number two, as parents, para sa mga nanay, no, we can motivate our children or our kids that volleyball players learn the basics of volleyball through drills and series of activities that optimizes their health. Okay? So, na you are able to take care of your life, your physical, emotional, your holistic health, no? Through sports. Gumaganda yung quality ng buhay mo, ng quality ng buhay ng mga kabataan through sports. Okay? What else? Accelerates training. Through the 6 months volleyball training development plan, you can, for the parents, you can help your children accelerate their skills. Your child can become a good player and develop the drive to compete at the highest possible level. Bakit? Meron ka kasing dinadagdagan, ginagawang reinforcement. So if the parents, no, if the parents would choose the 6 months volleyball training plan, nakakatulong po kayong mga magulang para mapabilis ang skill ng mga anak ninyo. Okay? What else? Para sa mga magulang, okay, o para sa mga kabataan ngayon na nakikinig at may mga magulang, you can tell them this, heading to college. Okay? If you wanna play college volleyball, what should you know? What's the recruitment process? Kailan magkakaroon ng mga tryouts, no? Paano kayo magiging part ng mga tryouts? The 6 months volleyball training program can actually, and the people behind it can actually help you with this, no? Heading to college, anong mga dapat yung isipin? Okay? So kapag nasa college ka and if you're part of the 6 months volleyball training program, and you get the chance to develop your skill, and kung sakalin after 6 months papasok na kayo sa college, you can actually, the 6 months training development plan can become your stepping stone to sports scholarship. Therefore, no, quality education in an affordable manner can be attainable. In Tagalog, kayang-kaya na po nating mag-aral, no, sa iba't ibang mga universities. Ano lang po ang kailangan? Maging isang miyembro ng varsity team ng isang university. No? Okay? And the last but not the least, making a difference. Does your child want to play volleyball professionally someday? We can help you know more about volleyball. Okay? So isa ito sa mga vision and mission ng South Supreme. Okay? And one of the most promising activities of the South Supreme Sports is this 6 months volleyball training development plan. Okay? So, ito po yung ating mga perks na nakukuha ng magulang ng kabataan sa ating 6 months development plan. How can you be part of this? Yan. So, how can you be part of this? Program, age-appropriate training is developed. We have program for the kids, 12 under, 16 under, and 20 under, or adult. No? So we have individualized progressive developmental training plan for you. So paano ginagawa ito? Unang-una, ginagawa ito sa pamamagitan ng fitness assessments. Okay? And then the next one, schedule and location, 2 to 3 hours per session, 2 to 3 times a week, 4 weeks in a month for 6 months. Okay? At Bacoor Coliseum, or venue can be changed depending on certain circumstances. Okay? And then training coaches. We are trying to actually offer you the best coaches and trainers in the world. We are currently always in the process of developing our skills and our cognitive and experiences, no, to be able to cater the needs of the athletes here, not only here in Bacoor, Imus, pati sa mga karatig na mga lugar. Okay? And okay, so this is the program, schedule and location, coaches and trainers, and investment. Okay, the course is divided into 2 quarters, first semestral, first and second month. Okay, focuses on the basic and fundamentals. And then for the second semestral, we focus on extensive training, refinement of skills. Okay, for other, okay, coaches and trainers, and then for questions, reservations, or clarifications, you may reach out to our coach, Anna. Okay? And this is her details po. You may screenshot this one if you want to. Okay po? Yan. So, what else? training timeline. So bago kayo sign up, ano po munang makukuha nyo dito? Timeline. For the first month, we want to develop the fundamental skills of of the learners or of the athletes. No? We will help you develop your basic skills, rules. We're going to talk about the rules of volleyball so that you get the chance to play volleyball with no confusion but with confidence, no? We wish that you get the chance to develop basic skills in volleyball. Number one, body conditioning, because you cannot play the volleyball without your body, no, without your body, without a well-conditioned body. And team formation. During the first month, we wish to actually introduce to you different team formations, no? For the month two, refinement of basic rules, skills, body conditioning, and team formation. So for month one, reintroduce everything. Bakit? Dahil sa 3 taon na may pandemya at wala tayong structured training activities, dahil lahat tayo nasa bahay, malamang-malamang po, no, ang skill and fitness level ng mga tao ngayon nagre-restart into 0%, no? Zero level po tayo. Malamang-malamang po, no? So, babalikan natin lahat ng basics. On their month 2, we're gonna try to refine your skills, your knowledge about the volleyball rules, your skill. We're gonna refine the condition of your body. We're gonna refine your knowledge about team formation, and then we're gonna introduce advanced playing strategies. On the third month, we will try to, no, to push you to master the skills that you need to be having in order for you to perform well in a volleyball game. Okay? So, andyan yung fundamental skills, sports skills, and also tactical skills po natin. Technical, kasama na din po yan, no? Number 4, position-specific training program. We are going to offer you a program wherein you get the chance to experience different positions in volleyball. Okay? So malalaman mo yung role ng libero, malalaman mo yung role ng setter. Now you get the chance to have a better understanding of the role of these positions. And on the 5th month, at ease in playing a specific role. Once you're done knowing the different specific positions in volleyball, now is the time for us to actually assess your fitness level, your sports skill level, and recommend sports volleyball position that would best fit your capability as an athlete. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Hindi ka lang pinapunta sa isang posisyon ng iyong coach dahil trip-trip niya lang. Kundi it's actually supported by data, no? Data. Okay? Data that reflects your capacity as an athlete. And for the month 6, we wish to have the fine tuning of volleyball skills. So in this, on month 6 and 5, you're gonna have a lot of actual games experiences. You're gonna be playing more with other teams, no? And other people. So eto na yung mag-start na tayo yung understanding diversity, teamwork, camaraderie. That's the time we're gonna be developing that. No, fine-tuning of volleyball skills. What else? Sa month 6, eto na yung month 5 and 6, eto na yung we analyze videos to actually create um what you call this defensive offensive playing styles, no, in order for you to become to have quality gameplay, no, every time you play in an actual volleyball game. Okay? So fine tuning para maging quality yung inyong performance as an athlete. So this is the timeline for our 6 months training development plan. We start with the basics, we refine your skills, we help you master your skills, then we reintroduce to you, no, the different position specific training program. We let you experience being a libero, setter, and then after that, we assess your fitness level so that we can recommend, no? Mare-recommend namin yung best position in volleyball para sa iyo base sa kakayahan mo. And on the 6th month, we hope and pray to refine everything so that we can be able to produce quality volleyball player, no? Who's holistically developed, who's um who has good physical fitness level, who's a skilled volleyball player at the same time with well developed life skills and um well developed values, no, well developed skills, no. so that you get the chance to perform well, not only in the volleyball game, but also outside the court. Okay, so this is the timeline of our 6 months volleyball training plan. Okay, so that ends my presentation. Coach Ana, nandyan pa ba kayo?
Yo, mag-ingay, coach.
Oo nga, mag-ingay naman kayo. Okay,
Okay.
so asa na si coach natin? Si
Coach
Coach
Paul, andiyan ka pa, ayan.
Joel. Coach Paul,
Coach
nandyan pa kayo, Coach
Paul,
Paul,
Coach
no?
Joey, andiyan pa sila.
Oo. Ayan.
Ayun.
Okay, so ito po yung mga ating 6 months training development program and training camp for everybody. So Coach Paul po natin will be our, if I'm not mistaken, no, Coach Ana will be our head coach for this 6 months training
Yes.
development program plan.
Yes.
Opo. Now, okay, gusto nyo bang marinig ang tinig ng ating Coach Joey? Coach Joey! Coach Joey! Andiyan ka ba, Coach Joey? Mag-ingay ka, Coach Joey. Andiyan ba si Coach Joey?
Nag-ano yata, coach, nagse-serve pa yata.
Nagsiset pa ata si Coach
Nagse-set ka
Joey,
pa ba,
no?
coach?
Oo, kasi kung
Paramdam.
nandiyan siya, oo, we can actually ask experiences, tips from her, no? Um,
Yeah.
given the situation, dahil nga, because of the fact that she's a former DLSC Lady Spiker, member of that team, no? We can actually ask her kung anong benefits of learning volleyball, no? From young self up until now na malaki na siya. No? Anong
Mhm.
impact sa buhay niya? So maybe we can do the sharing activity with Coach Joey. Joey, are you there? There. Yeah.
Mukhang ano, may audio yata siya, may audio issue ata si Coach Joey.
Okay. How about Coach Paul? Coach Paul, kamusta po
Coach
kayo?
Paul.
And
Si Coach Paul probably can share kasi si Coach Paul ay ano, nagti-train siya ng mga varsity din, 'no, high school, senior
mhm.
high school, and even college. Tama, 'di ba, Coach?
Yes po.
Ayun,
Ayan,
so probably he can share.
opo, ayan coach. I'll stop sharing now po. Yan. So, kayo na po coach, no? So, anong po pwede nating ayan, spotlight ko na po kayo coach. Yan. So, what else can we share? Yung, coach, ano po sa tingin nyo bilang coach yung impact of learning volleyball at a very young age and up until adulthood, anong impact natin, no? Nito sa mga tao. Hmm?
Oh, well, coaches and students, sa case ko po kasi, I actually started young, like um, grade 5 or grade 6 for volleyball. And without proper training, so we competed here din sa Bacoor without proper training. So we really wanted to play dun sa much higher level ng volleyball sana. Pero yun nga, yung opportunity to train, wala. So, it's a good
Mhm.
thing na meron na tayong ganito ngayon, like yung ating 6 months training program. And actually, that's the ano, common issue po for public schools.
Mhm.
Yes, common issue yan ng mga public schools. And then, after po nung elementary days, high school days, I still play volleyball. Pero, again, sa level po kasi or dun kasi sa mga schools na napasukan ko, medyo naging disadvantage kasi sa akin kasi yung school kasi does not focus on volleyball or on sports, more on academic. So wala kaming ano pa rin, wala pa ring proper training. So that's yun, parang yun yung magiging regret kasi ng mga bata kapag hindi sila nag-start ng maaga. So, makikita na lang natin 'yan. Actually, ang dami kong experiences sa mga bata na bakit ngayon lang ako nag-umpisa, ang dami kong time sana, bakit ngayon lang. So, I even have players na grade 9, grade 10 na po nag-start. So, nag-excel sila pagdating na lang nila ng grade 11 and 12. Medyo late na. So, pagdating nila ng college, wala din. So, hindi na rin namin na nagamit. Kahit pa gaano sila kagaling, hindi na rin nagamit kasi medyo kulang pa rin. Actually, yung 6 months training plan, ah, hindi yun dapat natatapos doon sa 6 months plan. kasi volleyball is a continuous sport. So, every year or every month and every training dapat gumagaling ka, humuhusay ka. Yun yung dapat na nagiging goal natin. Especially sa mga young generations. Yun dapat yung goal natin. So, every time na magte-training tayo, we always look forward dun sa mga matututunan natin and dun sa mga applications. Dapat may apply natin yan lagi, every day. Meron nga pong ibang mga bata sa sobrang sipag pag-uwi sa school, pag-uwi galing sa training, they still play. Ginagawa pa rin nila yung mga, tama ba, coaches? Tama po, may mga
Correct.
bata na
Agree
gano'n,
ako dyan, coach.
Opo.
ang homework, parang hindi sila nakukontento.
Totoo
Oo
yun.
nga. Tapos
Kasi,
nakikita mo yung nanay nila na may pamalo na kasi ayaw tumigil talaga. Ganyan yung nanay ko nung
opo,
bata pa ako, may pamalo na siya. Hindi ka pa titigil? No?
gano'n. So, eventually, when I went to college po, I was able to, bago ko makuha yung scholarship ko nung college, ito po, just to, para mabigyan lang din natin ng ideas yung ibang mga players natin, yung young generation. Nagsisi ako before kasi I had a lot of opportunities during high school. Pero tinurn down ko yung opportunities na yun.
Correct.
So, kasi nag-start po akong mag-work early as 17 years old. So, mas pinili ko yun and mas nag-enjoy ako. Then, while working, ano po ako, naglalaro ako ng volleyball outside. So, I thought yung kalye volleyball is okay na. I thought doon ako lalakas, doon ako gagaling. Pero, it's not enough. You still need or you have to go to proper training. That's why
Correct.
nung nagkaroon po ako ng opportunity for Asian Institute of Maritime Studies sa Pasay, ginrab ko yung opportunity to train hanggang makagraduate po ako nang walang binabayaran sa school. So, and yun yung, kumbaga sa akin, yung ina-apply ko ngayon sa buhay ko. And also pala, meron kasing stigma, meron po kasing stigma na I actually learned this from my professor during college, during my first year in AIM. So sabi niya, yung mga players daw or mga good players daw are not good in academics. May ganun po
Oo.
siyang, may
Ganun.
ganun
Oo
po
nga, coach.
siyang,
Pero alam niyo, coach, as a
opo,
physical educator who keeps on actually reading a lot of researches, no, according to biology, physiology, no, ang katawan po natin, whenever we perform an activity, no, so it promotes blood circulation. Kapag nagpo-promote ng blood circulation at napapagod ka, lagi kang active, no, it actually promotes brain activity. Oo.
Mm.
So, yung stigma na yan, that's
that,
something I want to
that
actually destroy at the moment.
actually po coaches, that's what I'm imposing sa mga players ngayon.
Mm.
Dapat hindi lang sila magaling sa volleyball. Kasi ano, ako po, personally, nasaktan ako doon sa sa words na yun ng professor ko. And the one who mentioned her name, parang medyo ano na yata siya. Nag-retire na. So
Oo
anyway,
nga. Anong
going back to
ginawa
my
niyo,
story.
coach? Paano mo ginawang
So,
motivation yun, coach, to do better?
uh, well, actually po, I prove her wrong. Yun
Mhm.
Correct.
lang naman. Prove her wrong.
Yan, no.
So,
So, ang tawag diyan, coach,
kung dati
resiliency,
po,
no?
yes, kung dati po, medyo nagpa-easy-easy lang ako sa mga subjects ko kasi nga varsity naman
Mhm.
ako, wala naman akong binabayaran. When I heard that from my coach, from my teacher, from my professor, parang ginawa ko pong motivation.
Mhm.
So, perfect sa taxation and land reform. Yun. So, I mean, for the young generation,
Oo.
hindi po pwedeng magaling lang tayo mag-volleyball.
Correct.
Mentally, kailangan prepared tayo. Physically, mentally. So, pagdating po dun sa sinasabi nating IQ and EQ, dapat medyo mataas din.
Yes,
And,
no?
yun po ay dapat na dinidevelop din ng mga coaches.
Tama po. So, kaya very
Yun
holistic 'tong ginagawa
tinuturo po
nating
ng
program
mga
for the six
coaches.
months volleyball training program, no? So, yaan, na
Yes. Yun
ma-develop the
po.
values po ng mga kabataan natin.
Then when I graduated po, coaches, I started coaching pag-graduate ko ng college. Nag-start na po akong mag-coach sa Cavite School of Life. And in-apply ko po lahat doon yung mga natutunan ko from my coach. Kasi gusto ko, ganun din yung matutunan ng mga estudyante ko sa akin, ng mga players. And up
Correct.
until now, ganun pa rin po yung itinuturo ko sa kanila. Yung mga values na natutunan ko, yung mga skills, yung personal. Kagaya po nung sabi ni Coach Janet kanina na about dun sa personal life na parang ganun po yung mga
Mm.
nai-apply na natin yung
Opo,
mga ginagawa natin
application
yung
in real life
application dun sa
situation.
Correct.
application in real life situation napakatotoo po nun. Coming from a volleyball player, coming from a um coming from dun sa talagang wala, from zero na umangat. I'm not saying I'm the perfect. I'm not saying I'm the best player in town. Pero at least kahit pa paano po, I made the mark dun sa,
Correct.
meron po akong mark na naiwan sa mga batang naturuan.
Siguro hindi rin
Mm.
question yun, coach, no? Being the head coach for Bacoor Lady Spiker, di ba? At dadalhin mo pa tayo, di ba, sa MPVA. Tama ba, coach? So Maharlika, here we
Well,
come.
actually, yung MPBA po, ibang level na yon. So, ibang coaches na yung magha-handle ng MPBA. Baka po tayo medyo coordinator lang doon or medyo ano lang tayo doon, magre-refer lang
But
tayo
we're
ng
looking
mga
forward
players
to
doon.
it, coach,
Kasi,
no? At least
yes
by now,
po,
siguro nga tama yung sinabi mo, coach, no? Bakit yung iba kaya naman palang i-train yung mga bagets as young as 7, 8, 9, 10 years old, 'di ba? What more kung paano pa yung mabibigay nila after, for example, nag-college sila, baka ang gagaling na, 'di ba? Kung na-prepare na at a very young age. And I've witnessed a lot of training program from different countries. Like for example, sa Japan, sa Thailand, they've been training their players, their national players for 8 to 10 years bago sila ulit nakilala, bago sila nagkaroon ng ingay. So just like us, bakit naman hindi natin gawin? If it's something that we can do, why not, 'di ba?
and
Mm, correct.
lastly po, dun sa mga players din, it's not enough, hindi kayo pwedeng makontento that na alam nyo kung paano mag-set, alam nyo kung paano mag-dig, alam nyo kung paano mag-spike, alam nyo kung paano mag-serve. Hindi po tayo pwedeng makontento sa alam nyo lang na ganun. Kailangan po, you know how to do
Natututo
it
tayo. Mm.
properly po, with proper skills, with proper knowledge. Kasi lahat po yan, merong, what they call this, hindi po yan basta-basta ginagawa lang. So, hindi po pwedeng marunong ka lang mag-serve. Kailangan mahusay kang mag-serve. Diba? Parang ganun po. Hindi po
Quality
pwedeng,
performance
Correct.
talaga.
yes, hindi po
Correct.
pwedeng marunong po. Kailangan po mahusay.
Correct. Agree. Okay.
Mm.
Sige, probably we can allot the remaining 15 minutes for the parents, for our participants. Baka may mga question kayo. Even the Facebook Live, no? Baka may mga questions kayo. We'll try our best. We'll do our best to answer, no? In a Miss Universe, ano,
Miss
way.
Universe way.
Correct.
Yeah, in the most
With a heart.
intelligent way possible.
Okay. So, sige. May question pa po ba tayo? Um, I'll start siguro, no? So the schedule will start on September 16 and 17. It will actually depends on the drills, on the training plan for the week ni coach kung paano gagawin niya. We'll leave it to them. Kung sino yung mag-train. Pero what's nice is that there's promise, there's plan na sinusundan tayo. Ibig sabihin meron tayong blueprint, meron tayong susundan, meron tayong Bible, if I may say, no. Hindi tayo basta-basta shoot and miss. Okay? So for ayun, kung may group chat po ba, I'll check po, no. So kanina nga hirap na ako mag-Facebook Live, no. Pero I'll check. Baka kaya po ng Viber. Baka po kaya sa Viber, no? Baka doon na lang po sa Viber tayo mag-update. So far, the 3-6 month training development program is open for Bacoor pa lang. Okay, so for Bacoor pa lang po siya open. Ang target, of course, ang home court ng Molino Volleyball Club is ano lang naman, Bacoor Coliseum. Now, if, for example, Bacoor Coliseum is not available for some LGU matters, um, we'll we'll try to book, or we'll definitely be in Camellia Springville Gardens 3 court. If not, syempre kay coach tayo, no? Coach, strike gymnasium tayo, no? Pag hindi available yung mga courts, no? Probably if we can fit in the strike gymnasium, siyempre pangarap din namin yun, coach, no? Makapaglaro sa strike gymnasium, baka naman, di ba, no?
Actually po yung sa strike gymnasium, kailangan lang magpa-schedule ng mas maaga.
Oh, di ba? Oh, kaya na
Kailangan
natin
lang
yan. Sige.
Um,
Okay, so,
yung schedule ko po kasi na nakuha sa strike team is 6 p.m. onwards po, every Saturday and Sunday. All Saturdays and Sundays of September.
okay,
6 p.m. to
sige. Thank
11
you,
p.m.
coach. Sige.
Kayo po.
Ano pa ba? Mayroon pa ba tayong question? Question? Ano pa bang mga na-foresee natin na question? Um, we'll try to deliver, for example, the progress report of the players. Um, ika-8 session nila, 7th and 8th, no? We'll deliver it via Google Sheets. That way, everyone has access to it. Um, you can note you can note through the Google Sheets, no? Meron tayong ilalagay doon, ililive na remarks or comments from the parents. And siguro gusto ko rin i-highlight, no, during the first day at saka yung mga sessions, if the parents, if the family can also join the training. What do I mean? So it's a family affair, no? It's really ah, pa parang ang sarap kasi sa feeling if the family supports me in this endeavor, no. So it's a family activity, not just the kids activities or the players activities, 'di ba? So sige, we'll invite, if for example alam ko ng busy, kung kaya, so we'll pitch kung ano yung mga important, like for example the ano ba tawag doon, during the assessment, if you can also join para ma-witness nyo yung improvement ng mga bagets, no? So this is a journey not only for the bagets but for the whole family, no? And the rate, yes po, we'll send you the rates again. We'll group you again through the Viber para andun lahat ng communication natin. Paano po namin malalaman kung anong time po and training ahead? Ang na-book po namin na training time is 8 to 10 for Bacoor Coliseum. That's all September. If, for example, there are changes, we will update you accordingly. Sige. Parang na-late si Ma'am Annalyn Silva, no? Hi, ma'am. Na-late po kayo. Sorry, ma'am, tapos patapos na halos
Ma'am,
yung meeting.
kararating lang po. So, sorry talaga.
No problem po, no problem. Anyway, ma'am, si
Humabol lang
coach,
po, humabol.
oo nga eh. Okay lang, ma'am, sobrang busy kasi natin, ganun talaga. Anyway, may recording po ito. You can access it from time to time naman, no? Yes, ma'am, Catherine. Go ahead po.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening po.
Yeah, I just had a question because I just signed up. Actually, daughter and nephews ko, mga pamangkin ko. This is just a starter from them. So,
Oo.
naririnig ko about doon sa 6 months. I don't know what program. Well, in
Mm.
fact, I just signed up my daughter and yung pamangkin ko for the 6 session. Is it different dun sa
Ah,
6-month program and dito dun
yes.
sa 6 sessions and how to avail dun sa 6-month program?
Okay.
Nakikita ko napakaganda ng program na ginagawa ninyo for the teens. So, since they are young pa lang, so natututo na sila from the very beginning about the basic. And then, nakita ko rin yung goal ninyo about sa kanila to become a future at least athlete, not only physically but then emotionally and then with regards to their attitudes. It's
Correct.
a very good na magkaroon ng ganyang parang community or valuable group wherein it's not only more on the skills na tinitingnan but of course their responsibility, the attitude, dun mababago eh. And I'm very grateful kasi this is just the first time na na-sign up ko sila. It's a very long, marami akong nakikitang mga club, volleyball club. So, hinihintay ko lang kasi merong area dito sa lugar namin, which is Cavite. So, that's why, sabi ko nga sa kanila, after the session, we will still continue. Kasi, ito yung hobby nila eh. I mean, yung volleyball. So, yes,
Correct.
more on gadgets. But then, at least, nagkakaroon sila ng time to practice and para matuto din on the later on. Yun lang. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sige po. Miss Teng po to, no?
Yeah.
Hi,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Okay. Sige po. So, ma'am, ano nga ba yung yung training camp at saka yung 6 months training development program? Yung training camp, basically ito ma'am, halos yung mga naka-join dito ma'am is yung mga kasama na namin do sa training
Okay.
camp. So, 8 sessions po ito, 2 hours per week during weekends. So, ako po as a parent, parang feeling ko may kulang kasi as much as possible, gusto naming ibigay lahat, ma'am, eh. Kaso the time
Yeah.
is very limited with the 8 sessions and 2 hours, no? So,
Yeah.
sabi ko, may mga camps nga kami, ma'am, na yung mga tune up, yung mga match up game, ginagawa na namin ng 10th, 9th, and
Actually,
10th kasi
yun
it's
yung
within.
gusto rin ng mga bata na sana after nila nung sa training magkaroon maka feel sila or maka-experience sila ng mga ganung laban, 'di ba? Parang habang
Opo.
bata pa lang nabuboost na yung ano nila. Na at least ito yung natutunan ko during the training, 'di ba?
Yes, opo. So yun lang naman yung difference niya. If time constraint, number 1 probably mas mabilis of course yung uh, training camp kasi nga camp lang siya, so 1 month lang siya, 8 sessions. Unlike do sa 6 months na medyo demanding in terms of time investment, no?
But for the 6 months, ma'am, may age limit yan? Wala.
Wala naman po
Okay.
kasi we'll tailor the program, the program and the approach based on the skills. That's number 1, and then number 2 is the age.
Okay, so basically after this, for example, the 8 sessions, can I enroll them into 6 months program? Pwede naman yan.
For the first month, yes, kaya pa, ma'am. Kasi
Okay.
yung camp and yung 6 months training development program halos magkasabay pa sa first month. Mag-iiba
Okay.
halos yung approach pagdating ng second month kasi medyo
Okay.
ano na siya, iba na yung kasi yung first month is very basic, very compressed.
Yeah.
So as much as possible, lalo na kung kaya ng bata naman na makasabay, why not? Ang ayaw
Okay.
lang naman natin, ma'am, na pagdating ng second month, hindi sila makasabay sa mga drills. Instead na mag-enjoy sila, ma-persecute
Yeah.
sila, no? Ayaw natin yun, no? Kasi gusto natin nag-e-enjoy yung mga bagets. Kasi yung
Yep.
tulad nyo, ma'am, no? May bagets din ako na parang ang kalaban namin is technology, no? Instead na makatulong yung technology, nahirapan kami mag-reach out sa
Yeah.
kanya. So yun sana yung gusto natin, no? As much as possible, gusto natin nag-e-enjoy yung mga bagets, no? And gusto namin dynamic yung drills, fun. That's number 1
Yeah.
requirement.
Of course.
Number 1, fun. And
Yeah.
nag-learn sila without them unconsciously, no? Unconsciously na natututo sila, na nadidisiplina sila, 'di ba? Yan naman yung mga
Yeah.
baon natin as parents, eh. Yan diyan natin yang kinukuha.
Thank you, Miss Anna. Thank you, mga coaches. Looking forward to see you all. Thank
Yes,
you so
ma'am.
much.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Thank you po. Thank you. Any questions mo po? Yes, Miss Hazel. Hazel and Zab. Hazel and Zab is from batch 1.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening po.
Good evening po. I'd like to clarify lang since iba-ibang age group yung magiging trainees. How are they going to be assessed if for beginner sila or intermediate or advanced? Tas paano sila i-regroup during the 6-month program?
Yung the 6 months program, paano sila i-regroup? We'll do so the evaluation process is continuous, no? It does not stop on the first day, which is, for example, yung first day ng 6 months training natin, no? It does not stop from there. So, as we move, as we progress, ginugroup natin sila. Number 1 is the skills. Okay. So, kunwari, will measure the capacity of the kids, of the players. If number one, can they receive na or hindi? Kasi yung impact ng drills or intensity ng drills will also depend do sa mga kasama niya. So for example, 6 sila, most likely magkakasabay yung growth nila, yung development nila. Ayaw natin may naiiwan sa kanila. Then if may naiiwan, what do we do? What's the reinforcement that we need as coach and you as parents as well?
Mhm. Okay. So, kunwari 6 sila, I'm sure hindi nga sila magkaka-level, no, on the skills. Hindi magiging different yung approaches sa kanila sa training, ma'am. No? Tama ba? Nakakuha ko ba?
Ayan, Miss Catherine po. May I butt in, Coach Ana?
Coach, sorry, kay Ma'am Hazel
Okay
po yun,
lang?
coach.
Opo.
Kay
Ay,
Ma'am Hazel po.
kay Miss Hazel. Can I speak ba? Pwede, okay
Yes
lang,
po, go,
Coach?
go, go.
Sure.
Ayan po, no? If there will be, let's say for example, there's gonna be 6 students coming from different age categories, no? Most probably, yung mga grade school, sila yung magkakasama. And then the high school and up, medyo sila yung magkakasama. How are we going to deal or check their fitness level? Before the start of the drill or the month po, magkakaroon po tayo ng fitness assessment. We're gonna check their ability, their strength, their agility. May mga test po tayong ipapagawa sa kanila. And then, titignan po natin yung scores nila. Most probably po, for the general fundamental skill activity or training, yung nagpapalakas ng katawan, pare-parehas po yan, malamang po. But when it comes to skill-related po, nagbabago na po yan, depende sa level. So there's gonna be a different approach for the beginners. So most probably for the warm-up, stretching, magkakasama. Fundamental drills ng mga run, touch and toe, skip, hop together, medyo magkakasama pa yan. But if there's gonna be ball handling, there's gonna be definitely, alam ko, gagawin yan ni coach natin, no? There's gonna be specific groupings. Magkakasama yung beginner, intermediate, and then advanced. No? Kasi para nakakaagapay sila sa bawat sa activity at the same time the activity fits their fitness level. Yun po. Tapos at the end of the month, we're gonna have assessment one more time. I-check namin, gumaling ba yung strength mo? Umayos ba yung agility mo? Yung speed mo? So that they get the chance to have a track of their own fitness level development and skill development po. Yun lang po. Sana po, nasagot ko po yung tanong niyo, Miss Hazel.
Yes, clear po, Coach Janet. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ayun, so si Ma'am Melina, siya yung mommy ni Edward. Ang question niya is, for example, the 6 months program and then they decided to stop on the 3rd month, do they pay the rest of the months? Do they pay for the remaining months? No po, wala tayong locked in. However, of course, the training itself, 'di ba, no? Sabi nga nila Coach Paul, Coach Janet, it does not stop on the 6th month itself. No, ayaw natin mabitin yung mga bagets. Ako po, no, na-witness ko 'yun, no. So kung makikita niyo ako, physically I'm unfit, no, overweight ako, and probably ito yung hinahanap-hanap ko, yung activity, physical activity. So nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, nahirapan ako mag-adjust. I went to several camps. So alam ko may nakakausap ako mga parents na I'm very vocal when I say na nahirapan ako mag-adjust kasi ang dami kong camps, ang dami kong trainings for volleyball na binalikan para lang bumalik yung somehow yung laro ko, no. So ayun, no, as much as possible, if the bagets we already won them na nag-a-attend na sila sa atin, we already won them, no? And as much as possible, ayaw nating pakawalan yung gigil nila sa sports. Kasi once the bagets or once the players are already disciplined, it will reflect not only in the court, in the community, but also at home. No? So kung ano yung attitude nila during the training, it will also reflect on the community at home. Magugulat ka na lang, parang hindi ko 'to anak, parang iba 'to, parang gano'n. So sana ma-achieve natin 'yun, 'no, as we progress with as we progress, 'no. Um, Ayun, okey na ba tayo do'n, Miss Melina? Baka wala na siya. Any question pa po bago tayo siguro mag-end? No more questions po. Going once. We still have 1 minute. No more questions for 1 minute. Um, Siguro yung mga play, yes, we have consistent matchup games every week. Every week we have matchup games. We schedule matchup games for Bagets and we schedule matchup games for Mamshi. If for example kayo po ay gusto niyo maglaro, Molina Volleyball Club, it's very generous that they are inviting us to join them regardless kung magkakakilala or hindi. Regardless of the level, kung mamshi-mamshi na happy-happy, fun-fun lang, of course, andito tayo, no? Nandun din tayo. So, magkikita at magkikita tayo. Okay, any more questions? It's already 9:30. We really appreciate your time, your effort. Maraming salamat po. Hopefully, we'll see you on board. The first day is on July, July. Kasi si Ma'am Juliana nabasa ko. The first day will be on September 16 and then we'll be excited, we'll be thrilled, we'll be happy to see you in this journey. Thank you very much. Have a good night po. Have a long weekend. Goodbye po. Bye-bye po.
Goodbye po. Salamat. Shoutout kay Jack. Happy birthday daw. Thank you, Coach. Coach. Ayan.
Shout out daw. Shout out. Shout
Shout
out kay
out. Opo.
Poleng.
Salamat po. Salamat po, Coach.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you. Bye-bye.